Sheikh, Salaam alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to my program, and today I would love you to tell us one of the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that could be more useful to us as a mankind in this era. But before you do that, I like the jalab that you're wearing. I think you're wearing the same jalab.
Oh, this.
And
No
different
problem
color.
at all.
I love your color. Would you like to give me your color?
Yeah, you can have it.
Wow, mashallah. Thank you. Shukran jazilan. Please go ahead. So let's benefit from the saying of this Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Do not make your homes like graveyards." He says, "لا تجعلوا بيوتكم مقابر فإن الشيطان ينفر من البيت الذي تقرأ فيه سورة البقرة." The Prophet Muhammad says, "Do not make your homes like the graveyards, because the shaitan flees from a home where Surah Al-Baqarah is read." And we all know Surah Al-Baqarah is also one of the chapters of the Quran. So this is one of the sayings of the Prophet that I want all of us to benefit today. That do not make your homes like graveyards. If you are not reading the Quran in your homes, you are making your homes like the graveyards. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the energy to continue doing the do's of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and abstain us from the don'ts of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, my brother, do not make your homes like the graveyards. Assalamu alaikum. Sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Hope you guys have learned a lot from this.
Thank you.
So,
Inshallah.
read the Quran in your homes and don't make your homes like a graveyard. Assalamu alaikum.